This is the demo for the proportional control technique used in control systems. So as you can see, uh, in the code I have set point at 50, and you can see there is feedback stimulus and control signal, and the slider is at the 0 position. When I move the slider towards the set point 50, you see, when I move the slider, the control signal changes. So how this is changing is, it is taking this value of the slider's position and slider's position, which is the process variable, and it is calculating the error by subtracting it from the set point. So 50 minus 25 is 25, and then it is generating a control signal, which is error multiplied by kp. Kp is the proportional gain, so which is we have set it uh, 0.5. So 25 is the error multiplied by 0.5, so the control signal will be 12.5. So it will apply this control signal so that it reaches the value of 50. So when we get closer to 50, the control signal gets uh, is decreased as we approach the set point, and at the set point we have a 0 control signal, means we do not want this to be moved. Now if the slider goes further away from the set point, the control signal is negative. So 68 minus 50 minus 68 will become 18. 18 minus 18 multiplied by 0.5 is minus 9. So minus 9 value, which will tell the process to go back towards 50. So this is how. So if we go toward here, control signal is at maximum. If we go towards its right, control signal is at the minimum. So if we move this, so all the control signal is doing is making the slider reach 50. So I am seeing this and controlling this, means I am seeing the value 17 and I see the control signal is 16. So I know I have to move towards right. If I go further right, I see a negative 17, means I have to now go back towards left. Now I have to move towards right, now towards left. So I reached 50, and this is the control signal, proportional control demo. You can visit exasub.com by clicking on this link, and it will take you towards my website, where you can read more about such things.